Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make for you some air fryer crispy shrimp po' boy sandwich. Okay, here's the hoagie bread here. Okay, I have 2 pounds of shrimp here. They say peel and devein, but I usually have to go over them myself again. I have the Panko crumbs. They say 2 cups of that. Okay, I have 2 pounds of the shrimp. 2 large eggs right here. 2 tablespoons of water, which I haven't put out here yet, but I will get that for the eggs here when I mix those together. And 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then I have the coleslaw over here. Okay. And then I also have 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning right here, okay? And this is for the sauce for the sandwich here. I have 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna use this lemon juice here. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, be using that. 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. This is the one I'm using here. I like that one. You can use whichever one you like. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic right here. 2 tablespoons of chopped bell peppers here. You can use fresh parsley, whatever you like with yours. And then I have salt and pepper here, okay, to taste. And that's for the sauce for the sandwich, okay? All right, let me go ahead and mix everything together and get everything started, okay? Okay, here's the sauce here I'm mixing together for the sandwich. And let me add the lemon juice. Ooh. Smells good. Okay, you see that? That's ready to go. It's ready for the sandwiches. Okay, all right. And let me go ahead and mix this on the shrimp here. Oh, whew. Like I said, this is 2 pounds of shrimp. Gonna let that sit for a few minutes, okay? Not long. Okay, and I'm gonna mix the coleslaw with the dressing. I don't think I'm gonna use the whole bag though. Just wanna mix some of it. One tablespoon of honey. Give it a nice taste. Now if you like, you can mix the whole bag if you like. But I kind of like a juicy sandwich. It's very well seasoned. Mix the 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna dip the shrimp in here and then Panko breadcrumbs. And then I'm gonna put it on my rack and cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay. Mix it up. All right. Okay. That's a lot of shrimp, okay? So I'm gonna put 1 rack in the oven, and I don't know if I'm gonna cook them all at this today, but this is how you would do them. Okay, let me turn this on. The sandwich there. I add a little more of the sauce on it.